Staying fit doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag, especially when you're working out from the comfort of your own home. If you're looking to invest in a treadmill without breaking the bank, we've done the hard work for you. This video will introduce you to 5 of the best budget treadmills that deliver both quality and affordability, all available from the trusted site AliExpress. Number 1. Foldable electric treadmill with LCD display. The foldable electric treadmill with LCD display offers the perfect blend of affordability, functionality, and space-saving design. Ideal for home gyms, small apartments, or even bedrooms, this treadmill is a reliable choice for those who want a cardio machine without making a large investment. Its sleek and foldable design means you can easily store it when not in use, making it a top choice for people with limited space. The treadmill comes equipped with a high-performance motor, giving users smooth transitions from walking to jogging speeds. Its robust construction ensures durability even during long-term use. The treadmill is also lightweight, allowing for easy relocation if needed. The LCD display is a significant bonus, as it tracks important workout metrics like speed, distance, time, and calories burned. This model is best suited for individuals looking for moderate cardio workouts, such as walking or light jogging. Despite being budget-friendly, it doesn't compromise on performance or build quality. Key features: space-saving foldable design. The treadmill folds effortlessly, making it easy to store, perfect for compact spaces. User-friendly LCD display. The built-in LCD monitor tracks vital statistics such as speed, time, and calories burned, keeping you informed throughout your workout. Quiet, high-performance motor. A durable motor that smoothly transitions between walking and jogging speeds while staying relatively quiet. Sturdy construction, designed for long-term use with a strong and durable frame. Max speed. Offers a top speed of 6 miles per hour, ideal for walking and light jogging. Number 2. Portable treadmill for home use. For those seeking convenience and portability, the portable treadmill for home use is a top pick. This treadmill is specifically designed for people who live in apartments or smaller spaces where a permanent exercise setup isn't feasible. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to move and store, yet it doesn't skimp on features that enhance the workout experience. Whether you want to walk at a slow pace or break into a light run, this treadmill accommodates a range of fitness levels. The intuitive control panel makes it easy to adjust your speed, track your performance, and set personal fitness goals. One standout feature of this treadmill is its simplicity. It doesn't overwhelm users with unnecessary features, focusing instead on the essentials that make for an effective workout. Whether you're looking to burn calories or get in some quick cardio between work meetings, this model will suit your needs at a fraction of the cost of high-end machines. Key features: compact and lightweight. This treadmill is designed to fit small spaces and can easily be moved around thanks to its lightweight frame. Minimalist control panel. Simplified controls make it easy to adjust your speed and monitor your progress. Versatile speed options, suitable for walking, light jogging, or even a more intense pace. Affordable price point. One of the most budget-friendly treadmills available on AliExpress. Whisper quiet operation, perfect for apartments or homes where noise might be an issue. Number 3. Multifunctional treadmill with adjustable incline. If you're looking for a treadmill that provides a bit more versatility without breaking the bank, the multifunctional treadmill with adjustable incline is a great option. Offering an incline feature at an affordable price, this treadmill allows users to simulate uphill running for an extra challenge during their workouts. Incline running increases the intensity of your workout, allowing you to burn more calories and strengthen muscles faster. This model is equipped with a robust motor that runs quietly and smoothly, even when the incline is activated. In addition to incline, this treadmill offers multiple preset workout programs, helping you vary your routine to prevent boredom and continually challenge yourself. The treadmill also features an easy-to-read digital display that tracks important fitness metrics like speed, time, and calories burned. Key features: adjustable incline. The incline feature helps you increase workout intensity, mimicking uphill running for a more challenging session. Durable motor. A reliable motor that handles different speeds and incline levels with ease. Preset workout programs. Choose from a variety of built-in programs to target different fitness goals. Digital display. Tracks essential data such as speed, distance, and calories. Quiet operation. Designed for home use without disturbing the peace. Number for ultra-thin treadmill for walking and jogging. The ultra-thin treadmill for walking and jogging is one of the most innovative and affordable options available on the market today. Designed with convenience in mind, this ultra-slim treadmill is perfect for individuals who want to keep fit but don't have the space for a bulky machine. This treadmill is designed for walking and light jogging, making it ideal for beginners or those who are easing back into fitness. The slim design allows it to fit under furniture like sofas or beds, making it perfect for small apartments or homes. Despite its slim build, this treadmill offers a solid workout experience, with a smooth motor and reliable performance. An easy-to-use LED display helps track your speed, time, and calories, making it simple to monitor your progress. The treadmill is also extremely easy to set up and requires no complex assembly. Key features: ultra-thin design, one of the slimmest treadmills available, perfect for small spaces and easy storage. Whisper quiet motor, the motor operates quietly, ensuring you won't disturb others in your household. LED display, a user-friendly LED display helps you track your speed, time, and calories burned. No assembly required, ready to use out of the box, no complicated setup necessary. Max speed, perfect for walking and light jogging, with adjustable speeds to suit your fitness level. Number 5. Budget-friendly folding treadmill. The budget-friendly folding treadmill is another fantastic option for those who need a quality cardio machine but are on a strict budget. This treadmill is designed with everyday users in mind and provides all the basic features needed for an effective cardio workout. Its foldable design makes it easy to store, and it's ideal for smaller homes or apartments where space is at a premium. The treadmill offers various speed settings, making it versatile enough for both beginners and more advanced users who want to challenge themselves. The control panel is straightforward and user-friendly, displaying key workout stats like speed, distance, and calories burned. This model is perfect for people looking for a no-frills treadmill that offers quality and functionality at a lower price point. Key features: foldable design, folds up easily for storage in small spaces. Basic yet functional, offers all the essential features you need for a good cardio workout without extra frills. Durable construction, sturdy enough for daily use while remaining lightweight. Easy-to-use control panel, simple and user-friendly interface that tracks your progress. Multiple speed settings, adjustable speed settings for walking, jogging, or a more intense workout. Conclusion: finding a treadmill that fits your budget doesn't mean you have to compromise on quality. Each of these 5 budget-friendly treadmills from AliExpress offers great value for money while helping you stay on track with your fitness goals. Whether you're short on space, looking for versatility, or just want something simple and affordable, one of these treadmills will surely meet your needs. Stay active and fit without breaking the bank.